So when this car arrived, the paint was trashed, the glass window in the front was trashed, and this back window was trashed. This thing had more swirls and scratches on both sides than any plastic window I've ever restored. Now, it's not perfect, but it is so much better than where it was. In fact, before, when I put the lights on here, you couldn't even see through this window. It was so hazy from all the swirls and scratches. And part of this process involved, if you look right up in here, see the zippers? So I unzipped the window this way, folded it back over the cowl here, the trunk lid is actually the engine hood, and laid it on a very soft blanket, and then I proceeded to machine polish both sides. And I would guess I got 4 to 5 hours into machine polishing that plastic window. Now, let me show you what I used. This is gonna probably really open some eyes. But to fix this, I used the NSP 150 with a foam. This is a light foam cutting pad and a rotary polisher. That's right, rotary polisher. I rotaried both sides of that, probably a good 2-3 hours, both sides. And the thing you gotta remember is you better prime this pad. That means put some product around the edges here, because if you bring this sharp foam like this dry down on that plastic, I guarantee you, you'll gouge it or mar it. Then you gotta fix that. Okay, so then after using the NSP 150, it looked good, but it wasn't super clear. So the next thing is I switched over to NSP 95. So this is about half as aggressive as the 150. And I rotary polished it using a foam polishing pad, both sides. And then for the final machine polishing step, I went over to the NSP 45, a soft foam finishing pad. Most of these are black, this one's white. And I use this on the Porter cable, okay? Porter cable, this is an 8mm, what they call a free spinning. See how I'm able to spin this freely? It's a free spinning random orbital polisher. And then for the finishing step, I actually applied the Dr. Beasley's paint coating builder. And this product made it very, very clear, very slippery, added some protection. Anyway, that's how I restored the window on this 1964 Amphicar, the back window, flexible plastic, or some people call it isinglass. Also polished out the windshield, all the wiper scratches out of it, and then of course did all the paint work. Beautiful car, and now the owner can see out the back window.